Let's see my plan. What happens if I make 5% to my account, to my trading account each week? So here you see a little Python program and a Jupyter notebook. And if you want to understand the code in detail, I will link below another video where I explain the code in detail. Here we are just looking at the results. So just a bit of code, I give some starting variables. So let's say we start with a capital from 1,000 euro, whatever currency. And we make percent, 5%, so 5% from our starting capital is 50 euro. And at the end of the first week, we end up with 1,050 euro. This is just a tab variable to get the output formatted. The rest of code just shows us what the capital is after each trading week. So let's just run the code. And we see that the 5% is increasing with each week. After the first week, we have 1,050 and so on. And we have doubled our money to 2K after 15 weeks and doubled it again after 29 weeks. So after 1 year, after 50 weeks, we should be at something from 10,000, 12,000. And if we do this one more year, I'm on the way. Let's go to 100 weeks. So after 2 years, we are there with 130,000 K. Brilliant, isn't it? Let's do the same exercise. If I do this with 10K, I have a trading account here. It's my webpage. It's trading to a million DE, and here you see the performance of my signal from the last 3 weeks. I gained 15%, 5%, and 87%. So 5% is not utopic. And this is not just written. Everything is tracked on MQL5. If you go to the signal, I will put the link below, and every trade is tracked here on the site because I offer the signal. And if you offer a signal on this site, on this portal, you have to grant them access to your account. And here is the complete trading history. You can browse it and you see every trade I did on this account. So just to get back, this is not a lie. You can check this out. It's proved. And on this account, actually, I'm trading with 1K. It's the equity, it's 1,009 actually. Please ignore this 58% minus because I just traded with this actual strategy 3 weeks ago. And before that, I messed this account up. So go to the stats and you see actually the annual forecast is at 300%. Just because of my trading within the last 3 weeks. Back to our code. So let's start with 10K. Given I have some other savings, putting in some more equity from my salary or from whatever savings. Then we have 5% is then 500. And after the first week we have 10.5. So this is the starting variables, and the rest then is calculated by the code. Run it again. We start with 10K, end up after the first week with 10.5, and when it's doubled again after the 15 weeks, and after 1 year, 50 weeks, we have 140K, and after 2 years, 100 weeks, I'm there with 1,315K. So that's the plan.